In this video, I'm going to attempt to clean up my B-pillars. I bought these stickers off Amazon, and they're just going to come in here. That'll go on that one. And this will go on that one. Already looks better. I also got one for here. And I've got enough to do both sides. So let's go ahead and get started. Pull this off. I'm going to sand this down so the stickers stick on here nicely. So once I feel like it's nice and smooth and I've got all the dirt off, which is right about now, I'm going to go ahead and take a wet and dry rag. There's the dry part. And the wet. Let's just clean it all up. I just want to make sure it's a nice surface so it sticks. Now let's get ready to install it. All right, so I have it like this. I should probably pull that off just a little bit. Come in, get it underneath the rubber. Then line it up on this side to this rubber. About there. That's stuck right there, so I think I'm committed. I'm gonna grab this. And I'm pushing. Well, I'm committed here, so. See if we can open this up a little bit. I really need to get it in. It is. Okay. All right. Keep pushing down. Here we go. All right, so there's one. It was a little bit of struggle, but let's see if the second one will go any better. So here's the second one. if we can do the same way. So we're gonna come right up against this line right there. This one needs to go down a little further. All right, so I have it like this time. So now if you haven't replaced these yet, I would do that second, that's for sure. So let's go ahead and just pull that out a little bit. Go. Let's see where we're at here. That looks pretty good. Let's call that good right there. Okay. We'll come back over here. Go. And there we go. There's the second one. So this works pretty good. Just having something to pull it out. Now I have one more over here. I'm not sure I'm going to use it. Yeah, I'll definitely use it. Looks good here. Let me go ahead and just get that on there. Same idea. This one should be a whole lot easier. There we go. We're just gonna peel it. Up the top. Just going to come down. So it's going a whole lot easier on this one. There you go. So the driver's side is done. It looks awesome. Let's go over to the passenger side. Let's see if we can do this even better. All right, so we're just about done here sanding. It's feeling like I got all the dirt and the rough stuff off. Let's go ahead and wipe it down. Wet rag here. All right, perfect. What I've learned, we want to pull that out a little bit. And like I said before, if you need these, I have a video on that. And put them on second, don't put them on first. So I'm going to spread it out a little bit. Bring that down. Line it up to where I need it. I think that would be good right there. looks good there. Come out. And we're just gonna pull the tape. Pull the tape. Pull the tape. Just make sure it's lined up still. So far, so good. Looks good. Looks good. There we go. There's the first one. Pull that off. Looks good here. Looks good there. And let's go to the other side here. Same thing. Gonna come up, we'll line it right about where it needs to be there. Let's go pull the tape off. Stab it right there. Looks pretty good. Looks good. And then just kind of keep tightening it. There we go, looking good. Then we'll take that off. Here we go, looks a lot better than what it did. All right, now we're gonna do this little small one. Let's put this in here. Pull the tape back a little. Okay. And line it up right about there. All the way up. Go. We got them all done. Well, that wasn't so bad. I think the trick is you need to wedge it to pull it out a little bit, or if you haven't replaced these already, I'll leave a link to the video I made on how to replace these. Also, I'll leave a link to where to purchase these on Amazon. I hope you learned something in today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.